In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working with business documents, compiling research, or organizing a project, learning how to effectively manage pages within a PDF can greatly enhance your productivity. Adobe Acrobat offers a robust feature set for handling your PDF files seamlessly. So, let's dive into the simple yet essential process of adding a new page. When you first open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you have several options, but for the purpose of adding a new page, start by clicking on either Create or Recent Work. This step ensures that you're accessing the right workspace to manage your current or newly created projects. If you've recently worked on a document and you wish to continue with that, click on Recent One. This will allow you to continue where you left off, making the process both efficient and straightforward. Once your document is open, focus on the top panel where you will see the Tools option. Go ahead and click on Tools. This area houses a variety of features that give you greater control over your PDF files. From here, you'll want to select Organize Pages. This action is crucial because it opens a new set of options specifically designed to let you manipulate the document structure by arranging pages in any order you choose. To add a new page, look for the Insert Pages option. You'll see a plus sign here, which is your cue to add new content. Clicking on this opens up an interface where you can gather files from your computer. Go ahead, locate the file you want to add and select it. This step allows you to incorporate additional content seamlessly into the existing PDF, ensuring that your document remains comprehensive and up to date. Lastly, after you've inserted the page or pages you need, remember to save your work. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Save, or by simply clicking the disk icon if it's displayed in your toolbar. Saving is a critical step as it ensures that all your changes are preserved. Don't skip this part. It's what transforms your actions into permanent alterations within the document. And there you have it, a simple process to effectively add pages within Adobe Acrobat. This straightforward method helps to ensure that your documents are organized and efficiently managed. With these steps, you're now more equipped to handle your PDFs like a pro. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to master document management in Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.